The last sentence summarizes Pi Network's ultimate vision for its ecosystem and the value proposition for its users. Here is an explanation of what the sentence means. Greater than, the network's long-term goal is to allow its members to pool and monetize their collective resources, time, attention, data, through applications and an inclusive peer-to-peer ecosystem built on the Pi platform, allowing them to capture the value they create online, which currently is captured by large corporations like Google, Facebook, etc. Greater than. 1. The core problem, value extraction by corporations. The sentence starts by pointing to a fundamental issue with the current Internet Web 2.0. Value creation. Every day, users generate massive amounts of value online simply by being active. Time and attention, spending time on social media, watching videos, or reading articles. Data, generating personal data, demographics, preferences, location, search history. Value capture, the status quo. Large corporations Google, Facebook, Meta, Amazon capture the vast majority of this value. They use the collective user data and attention to sell highly targeted advertisements and services, making billions in profit. The individual user, who created the data and provided the attention, receives little to nothing in return, often just a free service. 2. Pi Network's proposed solution, the goal. The Pi Network aims to reverse this power dynamic. Pool and monetize collective resources. By building an ecosystem on the Pi platform, the network intends to create a marketplace, or DApps, where the aggregated power of its members' time, attention, and data can be leveraged. Capture the value they create. Instead of a central company capturing the profits, the value generated by the users' collective activities is distributed back to them, primarily in the form of Pi cryptocurrency. In simple terms, the last sentence means Pi Network wants to build a user-owned version of the Internet where, instead of Facebook making all the money from your likes and posts, you and other Pi members share in the profit generated by the ecosystem's success. The Pi coin is the mechanism through which this value is transferred and shared among the participants. It's essentially a vision for a decentralized, user-centric Internet, often called Web 3, where the users are not just the product, but are also the owners and beneficiaries.